let's discuss the agenda of this video series. This agenda have email to case, web to case, auto response rule, queue assignment rule, and escalation rule. As all these topics are hands-on, we are going to cover them in separate videos. In today's video, I'm going to cover email to case, but before starting email to case, let's discuss the use case on which we are going to develop our whole service setup. So let's say you are a restaurant that done all its functionality from Salesforce, like taking orders, and now you are trying to build a application where you take feedback for your deliveries and food orders from your customer in the form of cases, and accounts are your customers, and the contact are the contact person related to that particular customer. So let's start with what email to case is. So email to case is nothing but an automatic way of creating cases from email, and 3 steps involved while achieving email to case is plan, enable email to case, and set up email to case. Now I already have planned this, we already have planned this, that whenever any customer try to send the feedback related to any order from email, it will automatically create it should automatically create a case record. Now next step is to enable email to case. So search for email to case into your quick find box, and I already have enabled it. So you just have to click on this edit button and select these settings, like enable email to case and all these settings, and make sure that these settings may vary depending on your plan and your company requirement. Then there is scroll down a little bit, you will find on demand services. You also need to enable that and select these 2 options again as per your company need and save them. Now you have enabled the email to case. Now last step is setting email to case. So when you have saved when you have enabled the email to case, down here you will find a routing address. So you need to create a routing address so that every email that comes to your registered email ID will get converted to case in your Salesforce record. So first thing is to provide a routing name. Let's say I am giving it customer support, and for email ID I am using my email, which is this one. So whenever anyone sends a message, sends an email as in raising a case regarding any delivery, it will get converted to cases. Then here's few more settings. You can if you want, you can create task on creating any case from email, and these are some different settings, like who would be the case owners. So let's say for now I'm selecting myself as the case owner here, and for priority I would provide it none, and case origin would be email. Now save it. As soon as you will save this routing address, you will find that an email service address will get generated, and this email address will be used for sending email. But now this email address is too long and too lengthy to use every single time when any customer tries to send create any case or raise any case regarding any delivery. So this is not feasible. Let's verify the email address that you have used for working your email to case, and as soon as you verify it, you will find email. Here you will get an email. Just go to that email and verify it. Now as soon as the email is verified, you will get a like the notification as verified here you see. So the email is verified. Now next step is to add forwarding to your system. So just go to the email that you have used for email to case, click on additional settings, see all settings, and go to the option of forwarding and POPI map. First is to copy the email address that has been generated here. Copy this, and I have already used it earlier. Let me add this particular one. So when I let me paste it to my notepad, because it will get some spaces here in front of it. Again copy it and add here. Again click proceed here, and the forwarding will get enabled. First you need to verify this email address from your cases record. If you go to your cases record, you will see that one case will get created having Gmail forwarding confirmation as subject. Open that case record and click on that description provided here, and hit the confirm button here again. Now it is confirmed. Refresh here and enable the forwarding. So forward a copy of incoming mail to your Salesforce org. Save changes, and now you are good to go. So whenever anyone send email to this particular email ID that I have provided here for email to case, all those email IDs will get transformed into cases, where the subject line will be the subject of case record, and the body of email will be the description of record. And if the sender email is registered into your org, your contact and account information will get filled, otherwise it will left blank. Also the case origin will become email and the priority will become high. So that's how the email to case setup is done. You can test it into your org by using some other email ID, and you will see a new case will get created under all open cases related list view. So that's it for email to case. Now in our next video we are going to cover web to cases.